Hey everybody, this is Brian C. Dunn, your lazy life coach with Sage Life Solutions and Cal, coachingandlife.com. And I'm going to be at the Best You Expo coming up on March 20th and 21st. On the 20th, I'm doing my presentation for the world to see, or at least everybody at the expo, from 4 to 4:20 p.m. And it is Forget Trauma, how to do a factory reset to the traumatized brain. That's right, I'm going to teach you about Havening Therapies, which actually fix the brain, for lack of a better expression. When traumatic events occur, the brain changes physically in circumstances that will cause PTSD, anxiety, somatic pain, sadness, fears, and the like. And that's why we can't get rid of it, because your brain has changed physically to accommodate it. I'm going to show you what Havening is if you don't already know. And if you do, you may come and learn something else, or you may share something else as well. But this is an exciting new approach. Paul McKenna, who was at the Best You Expo in previous years, stated that Havening is going to revolutionize the world of mental health. And let me tell you, the results I've been getting have been monumental. I'm a certified Havening practitioner, as well as a certified hypnotherapist and a certified advanced handwriting analyst. And, well, there's a bunch of other stuff that I do, other than just being devastatingly handsome. So come on and see me. Let me share with you what Havening is, how Havening is done, the history of it, and share with you some stories of the successes I've been getting. They'll blow your mind. We don't have to live with trauma anymore. All right, so I look forward to seeing you all there. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you more than you even know. So until I see you at the presentation, inhale relaxation, exhale tension, and be well.